Welcome back, finance fans, to part 4 of a 7-part series discussing the most common financial goals and how to work towards achieving them. Saving for retirement is about ensuring a secure and fulfilling life after work. By prioritizing retirement savings early on, you can enjoy greater financial freedom, flexibility, and peace of mind in your later years. In this video, we will look at how to save for retirement. Open an account to save for retirement. Depending on where you live, you can open retirement accounts, which provide major tax benefits. By understanding the types of tax-advantaged accounts available, you could significantly enhance your retirement savings while minimizing your tax burden. The difference between tax-deferred and tax-exempt accounts lies primarily in when and how taxes are applied to contributions and withdrawals. Tax-deferred accounts allow individuals to postpone paying taxes on the money they save or invest until a later date, typically during retirement. These accounts are available in various countries around the world, each with its own specific rules and regulations. The key benefits are immediate tax savings due to reduced taxable income and potentially lower tax rates upon withdrawal if you retire in a lower tax bracket. With tax-exempt accounts, contributions are made with after-tax dollars, meaning you do not receive a tax deduction for the amount contributed. Investment growth and withdrawals from these accounts are not subject to income tax, allowing for completely tax-free income in retirement. Understanding these differences is important for effective retirement planning, as they can influence how much you save and how much you will ultimately have available during retirement. Choosing between these accounts depends on your individual circumstances, expected future income, and your local tax laws. In some countries, you also have the ability to utilize both types of accounts. Please speak to a qualified financial advisor in your area to discuss this in greater detail. Once you open a retirement savings account, it's time to start saving. To save consistently each month, it is essential to adopt an approach that incorporates budgeting and automating your savings. Retirement savings needs to be a priority. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your retirement accounts. Automating this process ensures you save consistently without having to think about it. If available, take part in your employer's retirement plan and choose automatic contributions. Many employers offer matching contributions, which can significantly boost your savings. Gradually increase your contribution percentage as you receive raises or bonuses. This helps you save more without feeling the pinch in your budget. Try to work towards saving 15% of your income when saving for retirement. By implementing these strategies, you can build a consistent saving habit that will significantly enhance your retirement readiness over time. Investing for retirement is a critical component, ensuring that you have sufficient funds to maintain your desired lifestyle in later years. Inflation could eat away at your money if you do not invest. Consider how many years you have until retirement. This will influence your investment strategy, as younger investors can typically afford to take more risk compared to those nearing retirement. Assess your risk tolerance and adjust your asset allocation accordingly. Younger investors may lean more towards stocks for growth potential, while those closer to retirement might prefer more stable investments like bonds. A well-balanced and diversified portfolio could provide growth while reducing downside risk. Exchange-traded funds. These investment vehicles allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio with a single fund. Consider Vanguard ETFs. They have diversified portfolios which are expertly designed and ready-made. You gain access to a portfolio that matches your risk tolerance through a single ETF investment. They are also known for their low fees. It has never been easier to invest for retirement. Investing allows you to benefit from compounding, where earnings generate additional earnings over time. This significantly boosts the growth of retirement savings, making it easier to reach your financial goals. Determining how much you need for retirement depends on many factors, including your desired lifestyle, expected expenses, and available income sources. Estimate how much annual income you will need in retirement. Consider factors like housing, healthcare, travel, and leisure activities. A common guideline is the 4% rule, which suggests that you can withdraw 4% of your retirement savings each year. If you anticipate needing $50,000 annually in retirement, you would need approximately $1.25 million saved. Some advisors recommend saving 15 to 25 times your current annual income. For example, if your current income is $60,000, you should aim for a retirement savings goal between $900,000 and $1.5 million. If this sounds like a lot, factor in any government benefits or senior pension you could receive during retirement. This can drastically reduce the amount you need to save independently. Saving for retirement can feel overwhelming at times. Engaging with a financial advisor can provide personalized strategies tailored to your specific circumstances. They can assist in optimizing your retirement income strategy and help navigate complex decisions regarding investments, taxes, and withdrawals. In summary, saving for retirement is not just about accumulating wealth. It is about ensuring a secure and fulfilling life after work. By prioritizing retirement savings early on, you could enjoy greater financial freedom, flexibility, and peace of mind during retirement. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, keep earning, keep saving, and keep investing.